Perhaps the more critical area or most critical area related to green social policy is work. We have, as already discussed, the core problem is over obsession with more consumption and more production. Work outside home is not without monetary value is not considered work. So even if people are working, we think that they are not working and they are not useful. So imagine a situation where 10 women are sitting in a circle with their own babies in their laps. That, of course, is not work because they are looking after their own babies. Now imagine that an instruction is given that hand your baby to the person on your left. So each woman hands her baby to the person, to the female on the left, to the mother on the left, and gets the baby of the mother on the right. So now, of course, it is work because each mother is taking care of somebody else's baby. So that is work. So that is the idea of, what we think of work, because if there is no monetary value, it's not work. Then we have also discussed informal economy, and of course, over policy advisors and all of us think that there should be more people should come into the formal economy and from informal economy. But informal economy has its own advantages. Informal economy means that there is no need of cash. People may deal in bilaterally. People may deal. There may be barter trade. So in this way, their solutions are. They have their solutions to their problems locally and more easily. Of course, formal economy can help in terms of laws and rules, but informal economy has its own advantages. Similarly, we can think that more time with family and friends may decrease the need of doctors and medicines. And the increase in antisocial behavior of the youth may be linked with a decrease in mothers at home or many other problems which we have. So the primary way to decreasing social exclusion and increasing welfare is not paid work. And here I may tell you a story of a Mexican fisherman and an American Harvard MBA holder. Whose name was John. So John sees a Mexican fisherman relaxing and asks him about his work. And he says why he's relaxing. And the Mexican fisherman replies that I only work for a few hours. And then John asks him, what do you do for your rest of your day? And he says that I sleep late, I play with my children, take a siesta, stroll in the village with my wife, and each evening I sip wine and play guitar with my friends. So the John asks him that he shouldn't do that, and he says to him that if you work harder, you can catch more fish. And the Mexican fisherman says, and what will happen after that? And John says that you will get more fish, and then you can buy another fort and ask one of your friends to fish for you. And you have more boats, and then of more boats and more fish, and eventually you will make a company. And then the Mexican fisherman asks that what will happen after that? And he says then you can move to a better house, and you can have lots of riches, and you can relax, and you can take layer and do whatever you want. And the Mexican fisherman replies, what do you think I'm doing now? So this is the idea that we have been working harder and harder and harder, and to achieve layer, while layer can be achieved without working harder. So this is the idea we have to change if we want to move ahead in green social policy. Thank you.